we have here is a 3 controlled method via a cable, a smartphone, a remote control, some colorful decorative string lights. They do a number of things you could check out for more information online. At nighttime, we're going to give a very simple overview of the low level at night. So here we open up the box. You'll see how everything is laid out as we open it up. You get an instruction booklet, very simple to follow. It shows you how the smartphone as well works. A remote control that you're going to supply your own 2 AAA batteries. On the remotes, the on and off, auto, S, the dimmable, the memory plus and negative, a C button, 3 levels of music control, and the RGB control. On the remote control stringer will be your mic, your IR sensor, your mode, your on and off by long pressing, and your music mode. These bulbs are made of plastic. They got hooks so you can hang it on a string or just string them up. While it's going to take me a little bit of time to just disassemble this, we'll get this ready for you. All right, we have everything all taken care of. So what we're going to do is going to separate the pole. We're going to hook this up a special way. Give a couple of wraps. I'm going to now raise my pole. This is the way I put my lights up. I have my rest of the lights, which I may want to go this particular way, double them up. I got plenty of lights to hang. This accepts a 5 volt, and I have a power bank right here that we're going to turn on. And the lights should be on. And I can start to change different things and so forth. And you're not going to see it working right now. But you'll get the idea of how this thing operates, that I have red, green, and blue. And over nighttime, we'll see what this thing really looks like, all lit up indeed. So we're going to go set up the application and have some fun. We sit here, we're going to go through some of the modes. You can see the different colorings as they continue to hit. A lot of different colors when you just press the button. Now you could increase. I can see it's the maximum, and then you could decrease. I can see it's the minimum. If you hold it, it should just increase to the maximum. If not, you just increment them. You go right, you get the flickering and all the different flashes, as you can see. There's a whole bunch of numbers there, and they just go faster and faster. There's too many to go through to show you. Now you have music to the thing. If you snap your fingers, you could hear the sound and all. And there's 3 different types of smackings. Now, in order to get off of that, you just hit another button. Then you got the red, the green, and the blue. And that's the show. This is the application, and you can see how you could just turn it off, turn it on, go through all the colors, adjust the light level, anything imaginable, and change different things like so. You have a shake, auto connect, and so forth, and then you have just the device you're on. You can add more devices, go through different styles, all these things. You got all those things. You can connect to Apple Music Play and put a mic to it, and you can even schedule it if like, and you can repeat it and so forth. Oh yeah, the string of lights on the poles, man. They really decorate for a party, birthday party, any affair, anywhere you want to imagine. You don't just have to hang them on poles. It could be inside, outside, anywhere you want to go. It hooks up to a power bank, very simple indeed, remote control, smart app, or just the controls itself. I hope you enjoy your light setup. Have a great day with your projects and how-tos of LED light strings. Enjoy your product.